think a lot of people want to be able to see my eyes and see me looking left and right. And I'm going to get another pair. Meta did a collaboration with Oakley. The early adopters are getting those 400. Thank you, E. The early adopters, they're $4.99. I don't know if I can pay $4.99 for the new Meta Ray-Bans. They're awesome. I'll wait for them to, thank you, E, 100%. E, do you have a YouTube channel? Right? So I'm driving through the area and I'm passionate about driving. So I decided to put this together to teach beginners. E, thank you. Let's support the queen. So we're going through this area, really good for steering, speed control, just taking your time, feeling comfortable, being patient, and we're gonna go straight down. I'm blessed. I've gotten my blessings. A few companies have reached out. I've partnered with a couple brands, but I'm blessed. And if I can help the general community, if I can help the general community, that's what I'm gonna go in and follow the road around. And this is a cul-de-sac. And many of you live in an area like this, and this is great for teaching beginning drivers. We haven't done this route in a while, but I may take my drivers through here just to get them comfortable. And you always have to be turning the wheel. The grass looks really nice, okay? I've been working on our yard all summer. Thank you. Got 6 people in. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults and teens, and we're going through one of the courses I take students on. It's a neighborhood. You got a lot of stop signs, yield signs. So we come up to a stop, we look left and right, and then we're going to make a right turn. So this is great for beginning drivers because it's going to teach you lane positioning. It's going to teach you good speed control. Then you got to go in really slow. And trust me, I am turning this wheel. You have to turn the wheel or you'll sideswipe the car. Thank you. I'm learning from you too, just like you learned from me. You remember I went to the airport, you saw my twin, my daughter. So yeah, she's doing good. She's doing real estate. She sold another house last week. She's waiting for that commission check, but the lady didn't go to the title company. Okay, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna make a left turn. And this is kind of like our cool down. I'm very appreciative of all. E, you're one of my top fans. You're one of the top, no doubt. Obviously, I'm getting something from having you here. You're getting something having me here. It's mutual. I have a great appreciation for you. It's a nice neighborhood. It is nice. I'm gonna pause a second, stop. I'm gonna look left and right. Sorry, I keep hitting the wrong button. I'm human. Sorry about that. I keep messing up. I'm sorry. But I take students through here. We kind of did a circle. See a lot more hustlers, man. Got them boys here, them boys. Then I'm gonna make a left turn. Hold on. I like houses too. So I'm gonna come up and stop here, pause. All right. And you know, every now and then, you got us working on your skill sets. And yes, I do take you guys through new construction, older construction, downtown areas. I haven't been downtown in a minute, but we need to really manifest good driving, safe driving, get through here, okay? And I'm gonna scan this intersection, let's cover my brake. There's that Tesla, that boy looking good. Then I'm gonna go up and stop, all right? They flying through here, I'm gonna have that complete stop. Hey, they even stop. Thank you for that thumbs up. Going really slow. Thank you. I'm here with you too, E. I want you to live safe, be happy, and I'm gonna have a complete stop. It's a little short stop sign. Being active, walking their dogs. And I'm gonna get over, sharing the road. And you gotta share the road. You see people walking their kids, they're out. And this is kind of our cool down route because people need to feel relaxed. Just taking you through the area. This goes down to the end versus and comes back out. Take my time. Patient. Whoa, man. I'm gonna sit in the mailbox. I gotta slow down. Slow through here. Squeeze that brake. Go around. Be patient. There's another one of my students. He's got his Tesla over there. He putting in work. Circle. This is another cul-de-sac. I'm just gonna go around slow. Take my time. We be driving, bro. We be driving. We're gonna follow the curve around to the left. Looking around the curve. Just practicing making good turns. Really tight little neighborhood. Really good for beginners. Keeping good speed, good space. Proper lane positioning. Then we're gonna make a right. So we wanna use that blinker. Whenever you're making a directional lane change, changing directions, you need to use your blinker. You can hear it too. Take this and go straight time. And then we have to come up and stop. Come up, complete stop, left and right. I appreciate you, E, and everything you say. From you sharing your good sense of humor, your positive energy, because this is what it's about. It's about the relationship with people. You know me, I'm a people person. Okay, we're gonna make a right turn here, and I'm able to show you different things. Highway, Metro Detroit, Houston, Texas, Los Angeles, California. I'm blessed, and that's the way you have to live life. You know, I try to make the world a better place. And when it's time for me to go on, take a deep breath and go on. Okay, I'm gonna come up here and stop. This is where a lot of beginners panic. So we're gonna stop, and then we're gonna move forward and come up. There's a lot of traffic. So this is where beginners panic. You know, we're looking for a gap, a space. And then here I go. Then I accelerate through my turn. Now I'm gonna turn around. Signal. Yes, true. And we did a lot of walking this weekend too. A lot of walking. And that was good too. So I feel refreshed. I'm going to show you something. This wall broke down over here. So they're doing a new wall. So let's take a moment. Driving is about responsibility. It's about being prepared, what to take with you on the test. We talked about some of those things. We talked about some of the components of the driving test, encroachments. You get penalized every time you cross the line. Repositioning the wheel. You saw me doing parking. I pulled in. Final positioning. Left turns, various degrees of difficulty. We did those. Right turns, various degrees of difficulty. Intersections that involve stopping, then driving straight through. We did that. Expressway or rural highway. We did some of those. Collision avoidance, simulating head-on. Curves. We run around curves. Railroad crossings. We look left, look right. Automatic failures. Running stop sign, failing to listen to the instructor, repeated failures resulting in test termination, offering the road tester a bribe or gratitude, refusing to wear seatbelt, traffic violations, examiner prevents a crash, for instance, running a red light, driver creates a serious hazard, going too slow, going too fast, fails to yield a right of way for a funeral procession, fails to take proper action when encountering stationary or moving emergency vehicle, turns left or right on red light when prohibited by law, drives the wrong way on a one-way street, really, fails to stop for a red light, flashing light, or stop sign, fails to stop for a railroad signal, or drives around the gates, speeds 4 to 9 over the basic speed limit, follows other vehicles too close, dangerous, inexperienced drivers that does not do the following, can't maintain proper posted speed limit. Some drivers do that. Driver more than 10 miles under the regulated speed limit. Automatic failure. Driving an automatic transmission vehicle, you are unable to determine the proper gear for operating, meaning reverse. You saw me backing out. I have to move the shifter to R. Stalling the vehicle, resulting in a hazardous action or obstructing traffic. There you go, E. Losing control of your vehicle, causing an examiner to take evasive action. These are just some of the elements I went over today. I want all of you to watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, join my live. I'm going to go live at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. I want to say thank you. Bye.